Hello everyone, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. If you trade in any way, if you trade S&P E-minis as I do, if you trade stocks, if you trade currencies, whatever, trading is risky. And in case you didn't know, most people who trade fail. They lose money. And why is that? One word only, deception. Deception. The market tries its best to deceive you into thinking it's going to go one way when, in fact, it goes another way. And how does it trick you? How does it deceive you? By giving you the confidence in believing in a decision that you're going to be making is the correct one. And then when you make that decision, boom, the market reverses, moves against you. And so if you learn how to recognize deception, you'll not only be a better trader, but you'll be better off in life. And because the market deceives you, you will lose money. 90%, more than 90% of people who trade ultimately lose money because of deception. So what I'm going to suggest to you today, as I have in the past, is not to go by deception, or at least learn how to recognize deception. And so I use numbers, and if you've seen my previous videos, you know that I trade by the numbers, and I use the Taylor trading calculator to give me those numbers. And so, for instance, this day on Tuesday, January 7th, the trading calculator gave me the numbers of support at 60.13, resistance at 60.83, about a 70-point range, right? And the market opened almost at the middle of the calculated trading zone, and don't let that throw you. The market is going to do what it's going to do. But I want to use the numbers to tell me where the market is likely to trade. And for that, I use the Taylor Trading Zone calculator. And I know that if the market trades in a certain way after a half an hour or an hour, and it breaks the intraday high or low, it's going to trade down to the level that the Taylor calculator is going to tell me. And so I transpose my trading zone, and here I'm going to clone it. I've done this so many times. I hope you've seen my previous videos. I'm going to prove the point again. I'm going to clone it down to the intraday high. Now at this point, by about 10 o'clock, we see that the low, the previous low that was put in just after the open, was broken very quickly. This is a 3-minute chart. That low was broken, so I moved my trading zone down to match the intraday low, the intraday high rather, which was put in just at the open, to see where the market is likely to trade down to. Where did the market trade down to? Sure, it went down at the end of the day below that, but basically it traded down to the transposed trading zone support, went up, bounced up a bit, back down to the trading zone support. After this, you should be out of it, but still, this is trading by the numbers. This is trading whereas you learn to recognize deceptive trading is going to lose money for you. Trading by the numbers is going to make money for you. So that's my video for today. Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely. Remember to use lots of patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.